Let me teach you step by step how to apply makeup. Please try and concentrate. My name is Deg Beauty. I want to show you how to do full face makeup on clients. Okay, this particular makeup done by me, CEO Deg Beauty. Oh, guys, recently I upload videos of makeup tutorial done by my Nigeria workers. They sent me the videos of their job. Okay, so but this particular one, I am right here with you. So I already the eyebrows, I just try to line it little bit. Then I spray the primer spray, the primer cream, and oil block, and so forth and so on. Then I put brow timer on her eyebrows. Then now foundation. So I always tell them in Nigeria that the foundation don't apply too much foundation, the color that is brighter than the skin. So those are some of the challenge I have with my workers in Nigeria. So as you can see, this shade of foundation, this is exactly a shade, not too bright than her color. So see the way I apply it. Make sure you bring down your hand towards the neck side and the back of the ear. If the foundation color is too brighter than your color, is not good at all. You will not like the picture. Me, I even prefer if the foundation is little bit darker, little bit, because we are coming up again with pressed powder. You can use pressed powder to brighten it more. Okay, so what I have there with me now is concealer to highlight the area we need to highlight. So I was little bit in a rush because this my correct auntie, my correct customer rich auntie. Oh God, she's so good. She's a lovely woman, supportive woman. In fact, she's very good. She's a little bit in a hurry. She have a wedding to attend. She don't like too much makeup. On this fateful day, I just tell her that let me do some recording to upload on my YouTube channel and my Facebook. So she said no problem. So if your client don't want too much makeup, you will always focus on the eyeshadow and the lipstick. No need for you to apply too much colors of eyeshadow. So what I am doing, I'm trying to blend in the highlighter, concealer. Guys, in case you want to buy all this product, I have them. I will post it to you wherever you are. All these makeup product, they are original. They are original. Because some of you made mistake to buy from the wrong seller. Like you send your auntie, your sister, your mother to buy from you. Those people will go and buy grade C. Me, I buy direct from the company. Any product I am selling, I am using direct from the company. Okay, so after the concealer highlighter, just use press powder to matte it down, press it down. Okay, so I just give a little bit of contour. If you want to apply contour, use the darker shade to do the contour. So let me contour the nose area as well. So always use the darker shades powder to contour the nose. I have full face makeup tutorial going on my YouTube channel and my Facebook, how to apply it on your face with more explanation. So guys, you know what just happened there? I didn't even realize that my camera stopped. My phone just paused until we already do the eyebrows. Until when I just check and the eyebrows is already done. Now we are now in the area of eyeshadow. Please pardon me. So this eyeshadow, that color I'm just applying now is dark brown. I applied dark brown on top of her eye bulb, but this particular one I'm using to blend the edge of the dark brown now is the color of her pressed powder. So this particular thing I'm doing now, taking now, is pressed powder, not foundation, not a eyeshadow. So you use your powder, your color to blend that edge so that everything will go along with the skin. Okay, so let me continue the application of the eyeshadow. So I already used dark brown around to do the crease, to do the what's the name, transition. So now she says she don't want too much. I just applied gold. You know, gold, we have different type of gold. We have the yellow gold. So if your client don't want too much makeup, don't use the yellow gold. Just go use the deep gold little bit. Don't go for the yellow gold. So gold goes with all outfits. Because after nude is without color. After nude is gold. Deep gold, not yellow gold. Okay, that is what we are doing now. She says she don't like the makeup to be too much on her face. So I try to blend the edge of the gold and the edge of the dark brown with the lighter brown. Now what I am applying now, I'm just using that the color of I always use the color of a shade to blend the edge of the eyeshadow. Okay, please try and focus your eye. I know you will learn one or two things. She said she don't like eyelash. I just tell her, please, the eyelash will be necessary. Please, oh auntie, let me give you this short one. She said she don't like eyelash. She's not the type that wear eyelash, but she just cooperates with me. She said, okay, I hope daddy see this makeup. The husband will love it. I said, don't worry. So we later realized that the review of the husband and the children, they said, oh, they really love the makeup I give to their mother. Yes, so what we are doing there now, we are just drawing the eyeliner. Draw the eyeliner. Then after that, we dust the whole of the face. Guys, in case you are watching me for the first time, my name is Deg Beauty. I based in United Kingdom, London. I'm into makeup. Gele, book me for your event. My number is at the end of this video. In fact, almost all my video. So what I'm doing now, I'm just using setting powder. I make sure you take exactly her color. Blend, start from the area of her neck. Blend everything with her color. The area you highlight, the area you contour, use her color to blend everything before you spray. Cool. So that is what we are doing. And you know, when you are with your comfortable customer, you know, there are some customer when you are with them, you're not comfortable. But there are some customer when you are with them, it's like sister, mama, and pikin. Okay, that is how she is to me. We are just discussing many things in life, giving me many advice. She's a very good woman. Yeah, so now I just give her that spray. So she tell me one particular thing that she don't like. She said she don't want me to give her the shiny highlighter, that shiny chic, shiny. Say, please don't give me that. Or you can give me a little bit of blush, but I say, okay, let me give her a little bit of blush. You know, after blush, we need to highlight that area. But she said she don't like the highlight She said no, lie, oh, she not go green, oh. They are light, no. So guys, if you want to see most of my work, go to my Instagram. The name is Deg Beauty. So if you want to book me, we do photo shoot. I have studio here for London, for UK. Come and have your photo shoot. Your birthday photo shoot, husband and wife photo shoot, children photo shoot. So I'm here for you. I sell makeup product as well. I sell perfume. So I want to give her a nude lipstick. So guys, see the way we are going to do it. So let me use the darker brown to line all these products. I have them, I sell them, I sell everything. I'm available to travel. Take me anywhere. Oh, I will follow you. Contact me for your any ceremony. So if you want to know how to do it on yourself, I have video that is going on my YouTube and this particular Facebook. I'm not saying I get 3 Facebook, I get 2 YouTube. So the one that is written Deg Beauty, that place on my YouTube, the video is there. In case you go to my Facebook, because my Facebook is very busy, so just go to my YouTube. You will see the videos, they are there. So it's episode by episode. I split the full face makeup because it's with explanation. It's like we are now in the area of I don't know. So, but I'm still trying my best to just upload them one after the other. Okay, that's it, guys. In case if there's any correction for this video, please feel free. Feel free to correct me because I'm still learning, my people. Life will learn every day. Nobody is perfect. Okay, so after the makeup, I tie her one gele. So this frizz is very good though, in case you want to buy that frizz. That thing I just spray on her. That one is not setting spray. That one is frizz spray. If you use that frizz spray, you can even take your makeup for the next day. The makeup will still be intact. Yes. Thank you, everyone. After the makeup, then we now do gele. But the gele video is not attached to this video. I will upload that one separate. She said she don't want something small, something too small. She said no. She wants something in between the gele. Either not too big, not too small. Now see my face for there. I take off my wig when the serious business. So that is any video you see that my face appeared there, just know that I'm there. If my face didn't appear there, done by my Naija worker, all those old mama makeup one they say it's not me. So that is the reason. So now as you can see the beginning, the before and the after. So what do you think on this video? So leave your comment down below for me. The gele is done. I will upload the video of the gele later, not on this video. Yes, she is happy. She was so super excited. Yes, so I hope I tried now. What do you think? I hope I try. YouTube, wanna drop on a comment. Facebook, my people, wanna drop on a comment too. Thank you. See you on my next video. Mona call me. Bye. Don't give me that touch. Don't give me that.